In this video, I'll be showing you how you remove hyperlinks on Microsoft Word, simple and easy. So we'll be removing this that has a website linked to it, and this is a document that's been linked to it too as well. So we're going to remove these two things. So to do that, you tap on there that has the link you can see here. So I tap on this here, and now I move to the Insert tab. From Home, you move to Insert, and then to the Insert, you tap on the link here. So you can see at the address bar here, we have the website link there. So you just tap on Remove here to remove it. And now you see the link has been removed, simple and easy. Let me do that once again. Let me revert my action. I still have the link there, so tap on the side that has the link, Insert tab, you move to links here, tap on that, and you see remove here, address bar, remove, tap on the remove, and you're good to go. And now this is a document that's been linked, you can see, so we just tap on that too as well. Move to the Insert tab. From Home, you move to Insert, and then you move to your link here. And you can see it's linked here, that's the address of it. So you just tap on remove to remove that too as well, and you're good to go. So that's it on how you remove hyperlinks on Microsoft Word. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.